To download a single element with a transparent background in Canva, start by creating a new blank design. Ensure the page has no background color or image at all. Add the element you want to export, such as a graphic, icon, or text, and adjust its size and position as needed. When ready, click the Share button in the top right corner and select Download. In the File Type drop-down, choose PNG format, then check the option for transparent background. Click the Download button to save your transparent PNG file to your device. Your single element is now ready to use as an overlay, logo, or sticker in other designs. If the download does not work, add another element to your page. Any simple shape or graphic will do. Shrink it down to a very small size. Go to the position options and move the small element behind the main element you want to download.